Let's get real. Budgeting isn't about restriction or depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's not about saying no to everything fun. It's about freedom, financial freedom to be exact. It's about making conscious choices and having the power to decide where your money goes. Most people think budgets are boring, complicated, or limiting, something that sucks the joy out of life. They imagine endless spreadsheets and strict rules. But the truth is, a budget is your ticket to financial control and a more fulfilling life. It's the key to unlocking your dreams. Without a plan, your money just vanishes, disappearing into thin air without you even realizing it, and you're left wondering where it all went, feeling frustrated and powerless. It's like trying to navigate without a map. Think of a budget as your financial blueprint, the detailed plan for building your financial future. It tells every dollar what to do, assigning each one a specific job. When you give your money a purpose, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or investing in your future, you make smarter choices and stop wasting cash on things that don't truly matter. You become more intentional with your spending. The habits you build now as a student or young professional will set the stage for your long-term financial well-being. They will shape your financial future, determining whether you achieve your goals or struggle to make ends meet. Master your money early, learn to control your spending and saving, and you'll avoid the trap of lifestyle creep, spending more just because you earn more. A budget isn't punishment. It's not about depriving yourself. It's your roadmap to saying yes to what matters most: your dreams, your passions, and your future. It means handling emergencies without panic, knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on, saving for big goals like a house, a vacation, or early retirement, and being in the driver's seat of your life, making choices that align with your values and aspirations. This is the first step to financial independence, the foundation upon which you will build a secure and prosperous future. And honestly, it's easier than you think. It doesn't require a degree in finance or hours of complicated calculations. Let's break down how to do it, step by step, so you can start building your budget today. Ready to take control of your finances and create a brighter future? Let's go. Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. Before you can even begin to think about budgeting effectively, you need to have a crystal clear picture of exactly what money is coming in. It's the foundation upon which all your financial planning will be built. And just as importantly, what's going out. Understanding both sides of this equation is crucial. You need to know where every single dollar is going. Start with your income. Add up every single source. Don't leave anything out, no matter how small it may seem. Paychecks, your regular earnings, are the most obvious. Side hustles, that extra income you're generating in your free time. Allowances, if you're still receiving financial support. And scholarships. Every bit counts towards your total income. If your income changes month to month, which is common with freelance work or part-time jobs, average it out over the last few months to get a more stable figure. This will give you a clearer picture of your typical earnings. Be realistic, don't overestimate your income. It's better to underestimate and have a little extra than to overestimate and come up short. Now for the expenses. Track every single expense for a month. Yes, every coffee, no matter how small the cost. Every late night snack, those impulse buys can really add up. Every subscription, those monthly fees can be sneaky. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or even an app on your phone. Just make absolutely sure you're tracking everything. Consistency is key here. At the end of the month, sort your spending into categories. This will help you see where your money is going at a glance. Rent, your biggest fixed expense. Groceries, the cost of keeping yourself fed. Transportation, whether it's gas, bus fare, or train tickets. Eating out, those restaurant meals and takeout orders. Entertainment, movies, concerts, and other fun activities. Subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, and more. And shopping, clothes, gadgets, and other non-essential purchases. Add up each category to see the total amount you're spending in each area. This is where you see the truth, the unvarnished reality of your spending habits. Maybe you're spending way more on takeout than you initially thought. It's a common pitfall. Don't feel guilty or beat yourself up. This is just data. It's information that you can use to make better decisions. You simply can't fix what you can't see. Awareness is the first step towards change. Tracking your expenses diligently shows you exactly where your money leaks are. It highlights the areas where you might be able to cut back. Now you know your starting point. You have a baseline understanding of your income and expenses. Knowledge is power. And now you're armed with the knowledge you need to take control of your finances. Let's use it to build a budget that works for you. Now you know your income and expenses. Time to build your budget. Write down your total monthly income at the top. That's your spending limit. Don't go over it. List your fixed expenses. First, rent, car payment, student loans, insurance. Subtract those from your income. What's left is for everything else. Next, plan your variable expenses, groceries, gas, entertainment, shopping. Look at last month's numbers. Do you want to spend the same or make changes? Assign a dollar amount to each category. Be realistic but firm. Always include savings, even a small amount. Every dollar should have a job. Income minus expenses equals zero. That's a complete budget. You're in control. If detailed budgets feel overwhelming, try the 50-30-20 rule. Split your after-tax income 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt. Needs are essentials. Housing, utilities, transportation, groceries. If your needs are over 50%, it's a sign to rethink your big expenses. Wants are the fun stuff. Dining out, streaming, shopping, hobbies. Keep wants under 30% so you can enjoy life without guilt. The last 20% goes straight to savings, debt repayment, and investing. This is your future fund, emergency savings, paying off credit cards, or investing for retirement. The 50-30-20 rule is simple, flexible, and sustainable. It keeps you balanced and on track. No spreadsheets required, just 3 categories. Easy. The best budget is the one you'll actually stick to. If 50-30-20 isn't your style, try the zero-based budget. Here, every dollar gets a job. Income minus expenses, savings, and investments equals zero. It's perfect for detail lovers who want total control. Or try the envelope system. Use cash for categories like groceries or entertainment, and when the envelope's empty, you're done spending. This method makes overspending almost impossible. It's old school, but the physical act of using cash can reset your habits. Not for everyone, but great for building discipline. Experiment with different methods. Find what fits your lifestyle. The right system is the one you'll use. Consistency beats perfection. Make it work for you. Want to save more? Start with small daily changes. Food is a huge money drain. Cook at home, make your own coffee, and pack your lunch. These habits can save you hundreds each month. Review your subscriptions. Cancel anything you don't use. That's free money back in your pocket. Be a smart shopper. Always look for coupon codes, use cashback apps, and try the 30-day rule for big purchases. Wait a month before buying non-essentials. You'll often lose interest and save money. Small tweaks add up fast. You don't need to sacrifice everything. Just be intentional. Every dollar you save is a step closer to your goals. Make saving automatic, not an afterthought. Little changes, big impact. Start today. The secret to lasting financial success? Make good habits automatic. Set up automatic transfers to savings right after payday. Even $25 makes a difference. Don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month. Review your budget monthly. Adjust as your life changes. Got a raise? Increase your savings. Paid off a loan? Reallocate that money. Celebrate small wins. Sticking to your budget. Hitting a savings milestone. Set clear goals. A travel fund, a new car, or an emergency cushion. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Habits build wealth, not willpower. Stay motivated by connecting your daily actions to your big dreams. Your future self will thank you. Keep going. Tracking expenses by hand is tough. Let apps do the work. Budgeting apps link to your accounts, categorize spending, and show you where your money goes in real time. YNAB is great for zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets a job. It's powerful, but has a learning curve and a fee. Mint is free, easy, and connects all your accounts for a big picture view. It tracks spending, helps you budget, and sends alerts when you're close to your limits. For saving, try Acorns or Digit. Acorns rounds up purchases and invests the spare change. Digit moves small amounts to savings automatically. These apps make saving effortless. Find the tool that fits your style. Let technology make budgeting simple. No excuses. We've covered a lot of ground in our discussion about personal finance, and hopefully you're feeling more equipped to navigate the world of money management. But when it comes down to it, success hinges on being intentional with your money. It's about making conscious choices that align with your goals and values. A budget isn't a straitjacket. It's not meant to restrict you or make you feel deprived. Instead, it's your roadmap to freedom and opportunity. It's a tool that empowers you to make informed decisions and achieve your financial aspirations. Start by tracking your spending, meticulously noting where your money goes each month. Then, armed with that knowledge, build your first budget. Allocate your resources wisely, prioritizing your needs and aligning your spending with your values. Set up automatic savings, making it effortless to put money aside for your future. Start small, even if it's just $20 a month. The key is to establish the habit and build momentum over time. Don't wait for the perfect time. There will always be reasons to delay or procrastinate. The best time to start is now. The habits you build today, no matter how small, will compound over time and pay off handsomely for the rest of your life. Remember, progress matters more than perfection. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or imperfections. You'll inevitably make mistakes along the way. It's a natural part of the learning process, but don't let those mistakes derail you. Just acknowledge them, learn from them, and get back on track as quickly as possible. Every dollar saved, no matter how small, is a vote for your future. It's an investment in your dreams and aspirations. Your future self is counting on you to make smart choices today. They'll thank you for the sacrifices you make and the discipline you show. So, take that first step. Open a spreadsheet to track your expenses, download a budgeting app to your phone, or grab a notebook and pen to start planning. Make a plan, write down your goals, and commit to sticking to it, even when it's challenging. Take control of your money, don't let it control you, and when you take control of your money, you'll inevitably take control of your life, opening doors to possibilities you never thought possible. You've got this. You have the power to create a brighter financial future for yourself.